Just waking up, it's about like 3 in the morning. Got the trailer, about to head out from LA. We good to go. Still driving. Sun coming up. Ace, you talking? You driving still?
And he laughed.
We driving, baby? They got somebody getting theirs dropped off already. We made it! 6-hour drive. They got some shit. We're loading up their trucks. Bring them on 2011 Camaro. Can't wait to see. Running and driving. Thought it was fucking gunshots, but it's just vandalism. Car is loud as hell. Alright, X-pipe with headers. Back windows a bit busted. Chunks of holes. Interior still clean. 50K. Oh, I don't even show. 50,000 miles. LS3 headers. X-pipe dumped in the back. It's gonna need a lot of fucking work, but we got it. We here. Excited. LS3. A little bit of body work will be right. Replace the front clip. Honestly, get a new door. Windows can be fixed. I just got a Rari. Woo! We out. Got it locked and loaded. Stop to get some more gas. It's crazy. LA to Arizona for this shit. Back on the road. Still in motion. I swear I'm still blown away by this shit. From being on the internet looking at fucking pictures, actually having it, ready to put the work in already. Auto glass. Getting this damn window fixed. Got 3 of them. Windshield, back window, and the driver's side back window. The window shop. Okay. Pop that shit out already, I see. Crazy that. Oh, he fixed a little dent. It's like some rubber seal around it.
You gotta let it dry a little bit.
Fix the back. Tape. Oh, in the back window. He did the back. Good. Fresh back. Side one fixed. And back to front. Junkyard right here. Seeing if I could try to find me some quick fenders or mirrors really quick while I'm in the area. Little by little it's coming together. The biggest part is the fucking body that just looks crazy because it's crazy holes, chunks like somebody had just a hammer. But we coming together. Got these windows. Little by little. Time to return this trailer though. They're running me up on the miles and gas. They made it. They done fixed the windshield. About to drop this motherfucker. So I just vacuumed it out. So much cleaner. Super chunks amount of fucking just glass everywhere. We're looking good, buddy. Big assholes. I have to get all the glass out of here. Trunks this out. This side's clean. Bad now. Fresh seats. All this shit's clean. Wish I could wash it, but these holes, they get water in the ceiling and they start leaking. But that's enough until we get near a body shop to get some quotes.